Yeah.
Hi, how are you? Miss Coffee, Mr. Stereo. Hi. Been awarded a grant. Yay! So your grant was selected to be awarded, and so I have a big check and a little check. Some balloons. Yay! Boys and girls, what Miss Hawk is telling us is that we were awarded a grant that I applied for, so they're giving us some money to use for our classroom. Do you remember your About Me's that we did I sent home with you the first day of school? We're getting document cameras, which is just a device that I can put this down and you can see your paper's big and tell us all about you. So that's exciting news, and we can read books together. So we're excited. So everybody, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And by the way, this beautiful lady right here is Miss Sue I've been telling you about that you might meet. That's my mama. Did you know that? Tell Miss Sue hi and tell them thank you so much for our big check to buy our stuff. That's good stuff. Thank y'all so much.
When Miss Hope called me the other day, she was telling me who the winners